Recorded shows on your BTV box and want to access BTV video files? These contain DRM-protected recordings from the BTV service. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to manage these BTV recorded video files within their authorized environment. I call this the last resort solution for those BTV files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A BTV file is a video recording created by a BTV box, a digital video recorder service provided by BT Group in the UK. Users create these files when they record live television shows or movies. These files are often encrypted with DRM, making them playable only on the device that recorded them. The BTV format is a proprietary container, wrapping standard video and audio streams, like MPEG, with an additional layer of metadata and digital rights management, DRM. This design allows BT to control content playback, preventing unauthorized distribution and ensuring compliance with broadcast licensing agreements. Essential file access for BTV relies upon the utility BTV box from BT Group. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows plays content easily, but trimming, transitions, or effects require video editors. Your key initial action, right-click the BTV file and select Open With. If BTV box is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the BTV file opens. If the BTV file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, playing on BTV box. View BTV files only through your authorized BTV, set-top box, or BTV app on supported devices. The DRM authorization works exclusively within the BTV ecosystem, ensuring legitimate content playback. Access recordings through the box's recordings menu with full playback controls and recording management features. Next, using BTV app. Install the BTV app on supported devices including smartphones, tablets, or smart TVs with proper account authentication. The app provides access to your recordings through cloud-based DRM authorization. Recordings stream from BT servers, ensuring content security while providing flexible viewing across authorized devices. Finally, understanding DRM limitations. BTV files cannot be played on unauthorized devices or converted to standard formats due to DRM protection. Attempts to bypass DRM violate terms of service and copyright law. Use BTV's official sharing and casting features for legitimate viewing flexibility within the authorized service ecosystem. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.